but that's very much a long-term aspiration. Keep it continuing.
A major trial of a coronavirus vaccine developed by Oxford University and Apple and was admitted to hospital. An independent
1,000 volunteers have been immunised. That's been put on pause after a volunteer with sites around the world, including South Africa, Brazil and the United States, can be immunised with the Oxford vaccine.
We need to make sure that these vaccines, that they work well enough, and they're safe. And therefore, a pause obviously is not good.
Have a vaccine. There are at least 32 coronavirus vaccines in clinical trials. They're recruiting 280,000 volunteers in 34 countries.
risks losing its reputation for honouring promises. Several
But also to protect the Northern Irish peace process and the Good Friday Agreement.
Even unsure whether this is all a negotiating strategy, but for the first time, Downing Street has been heavy on guessing. Vicky Young, BBC News, Westminster.
So surprise and consternation in Brussels. Tell us more about the reaction.
Meeting there so that the government can explain. But if this is key, Brussels has stopped short of saying, you know what, this is an absolute mess. If we